Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the password of your account on the Kraken crypto trading platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Kraken application on your device and you may use your fingerprints or your password as well as PIN code to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage, from which if you want to change your password, just tap on your account icon at the top left corner. Now from your account page, go ahead and tap on security and then tap on password. Now just type in the current password that you are using to log into your account and then type in your desired new password underneath. After retyping the password for confirmation, you can simply tap on the change password button. And now your password has successfully been updated. After this, you can use this new password whenever you log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the Kraken crypto trading platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.